Hi guys, today we have a question. Find the volume of the solid generated by volume the region in the first quadrant bounded by y is equal to x, y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 0. About the y-axis. First we will draw a diagram that is y-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. And y is equal to x. This is the line. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. This is the line. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. This is origin. And we have the region, that is, this is the region. First quadrant. This is first quadrant. Now, we know that y is equal to x is equal to 4. Y is equal to x is equal to 4. That can be written as, this is implies x is equal to 4. Then region we have x is equal to 0 to 4. Then we have coordinate 4, 4. Now volume by share method. Share method about the y-axis. Volume V is equal to A to B 2 pi x into f of x minus gx into dx. Now we have fx minus gx. Fx is equal to y is equal to 4 and gx is equal to y is equal to x. This is upper bound, this is lower bound. Then this is the formula, upper bound minus lower bound. Now v is equal to region 0 to 4, 2 pi x fx y is equal to 4 minus x dx. V is equal to 2 pi 0 to 4. This is 4x minus x square to dx. Then 2 pi 2x square minus x cube upon 3, limit from 0 to 4. Then volume V is equal to 2 pi 32 minus 64 upon 3 is equal to 2 pi 64 upon 32 is equal to 64 pi upon 3. So volume is equal to 64 pi upon